Leeds have made the decision to sack Javi Gracia and sensationally hire Sam Allardyce. Leeds have decided to sack boss Javi Gracia and replace him with Sam Allardyce for the final 4 games of the season, as they make a desperate attempt to avoid relegation from the Premier League. Both decisions were confirmed by the club at the same time, as Allardyce had been rumoured for a return to management in the previous days as pressure mounted on Gracia. Leeds currently sit 17th in the table following their recent 4-1 defeat away to Bournemouth on Saturday, and will be hoping that Allardyce can accrue more points than the current bottom 3 Southampton, Everton and Nottingham Forest to stay in the division. He has become the club's 3rd head coach of the season, as Gracia replaced Jesse Marsch in February, but results failed to improve, resulting in Allardyce coming in for the final stretch of games. A club statement unusually announcing both the sacking and hiring of a replacement at the same time, read, Leeds United can confirm Javi Gracia will leave the club after 12 games in charge. Zigor Arenalde, Mikel Antia and Juan Sola, who joined alongside Gracia, will also leave the club. We thank Javi and his team for their efforts under difficult circumstances. The remaining 4 games of the season will be overseen by experienced head coach Sam Allardyce. Allardyce will be assisted by former MK Dons, Charlton Athletic and Oxford United manager Carl Robinson. His first game in charge of the Whites will be Saturday's Premier League away trip at Manchester City. The announcement comes the day after Leeds also parted ways with Director of Football Victor Orta after talks had been held with the club's board on Monday, in a week of upheaval at Elland Road. Allardyce explained that it took him just 2 seconds to take the job. I'm stood here in my office overlooking the training ground, the fabulous facilities here at Leeds, excited to be involved again, he told TalkSport on Wednesday. Obviously there's a tingle that runs through your veins when you take over a football club. I know it's in a lot of trouble. I've seen a lot of trouble before and hopefully, I could have done a little bit more time. But 4 games, hopefully we can make a difference and keep this fabulous club in the Premier League. I was shocked. I never thought at this stage of the season, there would be jobs offered. When the phone popped up with a name that I knew pretty well, I knew who it was straight away. So it took me about 2 seconds to say yes.